Okay, this is from Unit 1 review. This is question number 3. We're going to talk about increasing and decreasing graphs here. And so over here on the right, I'm going to say increases on what intervals, decreases on what intervals. To start out, it says find the local max and mins, and those are pretty easy. Anywhere I come to the top of a peak here, and then it starts descending downhill would be considered a max, and vice versa. Anywhere I get to the bottom of valley and starts descending uphill would be a min. So up here, this would be a max. This is a min. Here's another max. And here's another min. Okay. And now let's talk about the parts that are increasing. I'm just going to highlight going from left to right. You'll notice my graph here is going uphill, 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 stops at this point. Okay. And then I'll come down, and you'll notice down here at the bottom of this valley, it increases till it gets to the top of this mountain here at an x value of 2. And then last but not least, once my x value is 4, it'll pick back up, and it'll go up forever. So when I do increasing and decreasing, okay, I'm going to go ahead and scribble out all my y values. I don't need my y values. And I know that gets confusing because students often refer y values to going up and down. But what they're asking is what x values would I plug into the function that creates this graph that would produce my graphs to go uphill or downhill. So increasing. I'm coming from the negative direction from that arrow. So negative infinity, 2, and then you'll notice I have an open circle, or excuse me, a closed circle up here at an x value of negative 3. So negative 3 close bracket. And then I'm going to have a u. Okay? Down here at the bottom, at an x value of negative 1 and all the way to an x value of positive 2, my graph also increases. So I would say close bracket from negative 1 to positive 2, close bracket. And last but not least, at the bottom of this value and going up forever in this direction towards positive infinity, I also have an increasing graph. So another union symbol there. I would say close bracket from 4 to positive infinity open because we never actually reach or touch infinity. So this is my increasing intervals. So this portion right here is the first yellow highlighted part. This portion right here is the middle highlighted yellow part. This portion right here is the last highlighted yellow part. Okay, decreasing. You'll notice from going from left to right, my graph is decreasing from here to here. And then again, at 2, it starts decreasing to 4 here. So those blue intervals will be close bracket. It's decreasing at an x value of negative 3 to an x value of negative 1, closed, u. And then it's increasing from an x value of positive 2 to an x value of positive 4, close brackets on both ends. And this is my final answer for increasing and decreasing with my max and mins.